Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to open a Revolut account. Okay, since the application is not that active in our country, so I will just going to guide you on how to open an account. So just follow along, okay? So now the first thing that you can do is just to click this link and download your Revolut app. So as you can see, you'll just have to type out this one first, the capture the atlas.com slash revolut dash card slash. Okay, so this one at the top corner of the screen. So right after that, you'll just have to enter your phone number and agree to the terms and conditions. Then choose a strong password for your Revolut account. So now the Revolut will send you a text message with a verification code. Enter that code into the Revolut app, okay? Now enter your personal info, including the address where you want to receive your Revolut card. You will receive a confirmation message stating that your Revolut account has been activated. The next thing to do is to request your Revolut card. Now to order a Revolut card, use this link to download the Revolut app on your phone and follow these steps. So load the Revolut card with an initial deposit amount using a bank transfer or a credit or debit card you already have. And then click on request card, verify your identity by taking a selfie and a photo of your ID through the app. Choose a physical card or a virtual card. I recommend a physical card since some places don't accept digital versions. And select the type of shipment for your card. The Revolut standard card comes with standard shipping, BAT premium, and metal offer express shipping. Okay, and then create a PIN for your Revolut card. Once the card arrives, use it for the first time to activate it. If you open your account using this link, you'll receive at no cost 3 months of Revolut Premium. Okay, and that's it. Be sure to follow everything thoroughly so you could be able to open an account in Revolut. Now, remember to, use a strong password so you could be able to keep your account secure. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.